I am Suryakant from Pune. Today I am going to show you a brand new Ayurvedic natural blockbuster product, shaving cream powder. Can you see this Ayurvedic natural shaving cream powder? None of the company in the market has introduced such kind of natural chemical free product. So far you have been using such kind of chemically loaded shaving cream. If you go to the market, all shaving creams are chemically loaded, and the contents of that shaving cream you can easily find on either side of the shaving cream tube. And these tubes are made of non-recyclable plastic. You can imagine how many tons of plastic such kind of shaving cream tubes produce every year all over the globe. And plastic pollution, plastic problem is a global problem nowadays, but we all knew it, but still we continue to use plastic. Just imagine how many tons of plastic only the shaving cream tubes produce every year all over the globe. And second, as I said earlier, its contents are chemicals and that harms your skin. But to solve these problems, I came up with a new Indian version of shaving cream powder. You can see this is natural, Ayurvedic, organic shaving cream powder. So let me show you how we can use this shaving cream powder today. Alright, so what you can do, you can add 3 tablespoons of warm milk. If you have it, you can use water also, but a little warm 3 tablespoons of warm milk will give you better results. It smoothens your skin and it improves your complexion. Alright, so you can add 3 tablespoons of milk in this and keep it for 10 minutes. After that you will get this. This is milk added shaving cream. Okay, now you can see my face. I have to shave my beard. Okay, so what you can do, just first take a warm water and then just rub it against your beard the same way you do it before shaving. Alright, okay, now see, it should not be too sticky, just soft, very soft to touch. Now you can apply it. Alright, like this. Like this you can apply. See. Make sure it is not too sticky. If it's sticky, then you can add little bit of water. Okay, like this. It's very easy, very fast. If you're going to office, you can have a clean shave. See, like this. Just rub it against your area which you want to shave. See, like this. rub it hard. So the hairs which you want to shave, they will soften. The more they will soften, it will be easy to shave them. Like this. See, this is very important process, and all ingredients are natural. So it not only shave your beard, but it will smoothen your skin. There will not be any hard and rough skin. And see, the beauty of this natural shaving cream powder is that you no need to have pre-lotion, pre-shave lotion, after-shave lotion. This natural antiseptic cream acts as a shaving cream, pre-shave lotion, after-shave lotion. See, like this you have to apply all your area which you want to shave. You can take it around your cheeks also, here also. It's fully natural. So it will make your entire face, skin fair. It improves your complexion. See, like this. Apply as a thin layer all around your face. But while shaving, just shave the area which you want to